Hello, learners. Welcome back to Speak Easy Bytes. And today I have a wonderful topic. And I hope you all have been learning in my previous chapters. And I would love to see you all putting some comments after you watch my video. So always please share it with your friends and other learners whom you think can benefit out of this channel, who would like to move to different place and learn new languages and which can help them. So with this, without further ado, let's start with the today's learning. That's about colors. So colors in Kannada we say Baṇṇagaḷu. I will repeat that again. It's Baṇṇagaḻu. So Baṇṇagaḻu. And in Hindi we say Rang. So with this we will learn new words and sentences in relation to colors. So let's start with the first word, that is red. So for red in Kannada they say Kempu. So that is Kempu. So in the same word in Hindi they say Lal. So the word in Kannada is Kempu. So let's move to the next one. Next word is blue. For blue they say Neeli. Okay, so the word is Neeli. So in Hindi they say Neela. Right, so in Kannada the word is Neeli. The next word is green. For green, they say in Kannada, hasiru. The word is hasiru. And in Hindi, they say hara. So the word in Kannada is hasiru. Okay. Next word is yellow. Right. So for yellow, they say haladi. So this letter, what we see here is la. So it is haladi. Okay. So in Hindi they say Peela. So the word is haladi in Kannada. The next word is black. So for black in Kannada they say Kappu. Okay. The word is Kappu. And in Hindi they say Kala. Okay. So with this, let's move to the next word. The next word is white. For white in Kannada they say Bili. Okay, it is Bili. Okay, so the letter La is yours, it is Bili. And in Hindi they say Safed. Okay. Next word in English is pink. And the same word in Kannada they say Gulabi. Okay, so this same like Hindi, they say Gulabi in both Kannada as well as in English. I'm sorry, Hindi. Let's move to the next word, orange. So for orange, they say in Kannada, kittale. Okay, so it is kittale, right? So here we have to stress a little on tha. So that is kittale. And Hindi, they say narangi. Okay, so it is kittale. Next word in English, it is brown. And in Kannada, we say kandu. Okay, the word is kandu. Okay, and in Hindi, we say bura. So the word in Kannada is kandu. Okay. Next word in English is purple. And in Kannada, they say nerale. Okay, it is nerale. And Hindi, they say baingani. Okay, the word in Kannada for purple is nerale. So now let's look at the sentences, that is Vakyagalu in Kannada and Vakya in Hindi. Let's look at the first sentence. My favorite color is red. So the same thing in Kannada we say Nanna priyavada banna kempu. Okay, so that is Nanna priyavada banna kempu. Okay, so there's two dots here at the bottom of N. That means its the sound is na. Na. It's not na, it's na. Banna kempu. Okay. So I'll repeat this again. Nanna priyavada banna kempu. So in Hindi, the same sentence is Mera pasandida rang lal hai. Okay. Nanna priyavada banna kempu. The next sentence is, the sky is blue. Okay, and in Kannada they say, Akashavu Neeliyagide. Okay, it is Akashavu Neeliyagide. So if you see here, above A there's a line here. So when the line appears, it means A sound. It is Akasha. Okay, and this sh, this S above, and if you see a line upwards, that means the letter is sh. It is not sa, it is sh. Akashavu Neeliyagide. Okay, so we have to stress in these places. And Hindi we say Akasha Neela hai. Akash Neela hai. So the Akashavu Neeliyagide. Next sentence. The grass is green. In Kannada they say Hullu Hasiragide. That is Hullu Hasiragide. So I'm stressing in this particular place wherever you see a line on top of A, that means A sound, right? It is Hullu Hasiragide. And in Hindi, they say Ghas Hari Hai. Okay, let's move to the next sentence. I like yellow flowers. So the same sentence in Kannada, they say Nanage Haladi Hoovugalu Ishta. Okay, I'll repeat it. Nanage Haladi Hoovugalu Ishta. मुझे पीले फूल पसंद है. Okay, ನನಗೆ ಹಳದಿ ಹೂವುಗಳು ಇಷ್ಟ. Next sentence. She is wearing a black dress. ಅವಳು ಕಪ್ಪು ಉಡುಪನ್ನು ಧರಿಸಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. Okay, ಅವಳು ಕಪ್ಪು ಉಡುಪನ್ನು ಧರಿಸಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. Okay, so whenever you see at the bottom there is a letter which is there here, so in this places you have to stress some more. Kappu, pu. Okay, so that is dha. Okay, so you have to be a little bit more stressful. So avalu kappu udupannu ಧರಿಸಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. Right, in Hindi they say usne kali dress pehni hai. This paper is white. So the same thing in Kannada, they say ಈ ಹಾಳೆ ಬಿಳಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. Okay, so ಈ ಹಾಳೆ ಬಿಳಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. It's the same thing here. It is being stressed. It is ಹಾಳೆ ಬಿಳಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. So ಈ ಹಾಳೆ ಬಿಳಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. In Hindi they say here कागज सफेद है. Next sentence. Her shoes are pink. And in Kannada they say ಅವಳ ಶೂಗಳು ಗುಲಾಬಿ ಬಣ್ಣದವು. ಅವಳ ಶೂಗಳು ಗುಲಾಬಿ ಬಣ್ಣದವು. In Hindi they say उसके जूते गुलाबी है. Next sentence. The fruit is orange. So here we are talking about the color. Okay, so the fruit is orange. So in Kannada they say ಹಣ್ಣು ಕಿತ್ತಾಳೆ ಬಣ್ಣದದು. ಹಣ್ಣು ಕಿತ್ತಾಳೆ ಬಣ್ಣದದು. Okay, and Hindi they say फल नारंगी रंग का है. Okay, so ಹಣ್ಣು ಕಿತ್ತಾಳೆ ಬಣ್ಣದದು. Next sentence. He has a brown bag. ಅವನ ಬಳಿ ಕಂದು ಬಣ್ಣದ ಚೀಲವಿದೆ. ಅವನ ಬಳಿ ಕಂದು ಬಣ್ಣದ ಚೀಲವಿದೆ. So in Hindi they say उसके पास बुरा बैग है. Okay, the next sentence. I like purple flowers. Okay, so in Kannada they say ನನಗೆ ನೇರಾಳೆ ಬಣ್ಣದ ಹೂಗಳು ಇಷ್ಟ. ನನಗೆ ನೇರಾಳೆ ಬಣ್ಣದ ಹೂಗಳು ಇಷ್ಟ. Okay, if you see for this l, here there's a dot at the bottom. It means l. It's not l, it's l. Nerale. So focus on these words. Banna. See, if you see the bottom, at the bottom there is a dot here. So it is na sound. La sound here. Sh, ishta. Okay, sh, t. Okay, ishta. Right. Okay, so ನನಗೆ ನೇರಾಳೆ ಬಣ್ಣದ ಹೂಗಳು ಇಷ್ಟ. So thank you so much for watching and the video. I hope you all are learning, right? Continue to learn. So a focused learning, a baby steps every day, or 10 minutes would help you to go a long way, right? With this, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please share it with all your circles and friends. And until then, I'll keep making next episodes for my learning community. Thank you so much. Good day.